Imagine making money while sleeping, without watching charts all day. That's exactly why millions of people are becoming interested in AI trading bots. But here's the big question. Can AI trading bots actually create passive income? An AI trading bot is basically software that trades automatically. Instead of a human clicking buy and sell buttons, the bot does it for you. It watches price movements, market trends, trading volume, and sometimes even news or social media. When the bot detects a possible opportunity, it can automatically open or close trades in seconds. Some bots are simple. For example, if Bitcoin drops 3%, buy automatically. But more advanced bots use AI and machine learning to analyze huge amounts of market data much faster than humans. And unlike people, bots never sleep, never panic, and never get emotional. Here's the simplest example. Imagine Bitcoin falls from 100,000 to $9,800,000. The bot buys automatically because it predicts the price might bounce back. Later, Bitcoin rises to 101,000. The bot sells automatically. The difference becomes profit. Now imagine the bot doing this hundreds of times every month. Some bots use a strategy called grid trading. It means buying lower, selling slightly higher, again and again automatically. Other bots try to follow trends. For example, if the market starts moving strongly upward, the bot enters the trade automatically and rides the trend. And the most advanced systems use AI to search the pattern humans might completely miss. But now comes the most important part. AI trading bots are not magic money machines. And this is where many beginners lose money because markets constantly change. A strategy that works today might completely fail next month. And during crashes, bots can lose money very quickly. The smartest traders understand this. AI is a tool, not guaranteed income. So, can AI trading bots create passive income? Yes, but only when used realistically and responsibly. The best approach is start small, learn risk management, test strategies slowly, and never trust easy money promises online. Because the most successful traders usually combine human decision, automation, and AI tools together. And honestly, the real power of AI trading bots is not replacing humans. It's helping humans trade smarter. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI trading and finance tutorials. Thank you for watching.